everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're watching me for the first time, hi, my name is Radhika. I make beauty related content here on YouTube. So if you enjoy watching such content, please hit the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon right next to it so that every time I upload a video, you will get notified about it. Today's video is for all those beginners who are actually looking for products under rupees 500, and in today's video I am actually going to be listing all products from Sugar Cosmetics that retail for under 500 rupees. So if you guys want to know about those products and their prices, please keep on watching. The first product that I have is the Sugar Contour Deforest Mini Blush in the shade Pink Pinnacle. This is what the packaging looks like. It's a super cute, super mini packaging that is super travel friendly as well. It is not something that's going to take a lot of space in your purse or something. It's something that's super travel friendly, and this is what the shade looks like. A beautiful cool tone pink shade that is super pigmented, not patchy at all, very nicely milled. And this is what the shade is. This is just one swipe, let me tell you. It is such a beautiful shade, and since these are supremely pigmented, you do not require a lot of amount to actually apply. Just a tiny bit amount is going to be more than enough for applying it onto your face, and that is why this one small blush will actually last you for a really long time. And it's not also going to put a hole in your pocket as well, because this one retails for only and only 349 rupees, which is a pretty nice price, is what I could say, for the kind of performance that this blush gives. The next product that I have for you is its lip balm, which is the Tipsy Lips Moisturizing Lip Balm, and this is in the variant 01 Mojito. It is a supremely moisturizing lip balm because it happens to have ingredients like shea butter and jojoba oil, which is actually something that helps in moisturizing the dry and chapped lips. It is a really nice moisturizing lip balm, and it is not very expensive as well. It retails for only 199 rupees, and you get 4.5 grams of product, which I feel is a very decent amount of product that you get for its price range. Also, these lip balms are colorless. Even though it looks like a colored lip balm, it is actually colorless, and that is actually a really nice thing about these lip balms, because that way when you are applying these lip balms over a nice matte lipstick, it is not going to change the color of that lipstick. Or if you're applying it underneath a matte lipstick, even in that case also it's not going to change the color of the lipstick, which is a really nice thing, because that way you can actually use this without the fear of the change of color in the lipstick that you're wearing. So that way it is a really nice option. Price range wise also, it's really nice. If you are looking for something that is not very expensive but at the same time moisturizing as well, definitely go for this one. The next product that I have for you is their most famous product and one of their first launches that they made, because of which they actually became very known in the market, and that is the Sugar Smudge Me Not Liquid Lipsticks. Now this is actually a mini, and this one retails for 249 rupees, and you get 1.1 ml of product, which I feel, according to the price range, it is a really nice amount of quantity that you get. This particular shade is Suave Mauve 09. Now this shade actually washes me out a little bit, which is why I mix and match. Otherwise, individually also, if you are somebody who actually enjoy carrying such shades, you can actually go for it. It is a really nice pink shade. This range was the one because of which I actually discovered the brand Sugar, and trust me, ever since there has been no looking back. It is something that will give you a really nice matte finish. It is not going to be something that would dry out your lips in any way at all, and these minis are so inexpensive and so cute. Like, the packaging is so cute that you can actually carry it, you know, on a regular basis. You can just actually keep it in your small wallet as well, because it's not going to take a lot of space, so that if you feel like you need a touch up, because after you use this you will not require a lot of touch up also, let me tell you, because this is something once applied it will stay onto your lips for nice 8 to 9 hours, obviously depending on what you eat and drink and all of that. But if you're looking for a nice matte lipsticks that happen to be under the range of 500, definitely go for these. The next product that I have for you is the mascara, which is the Uptown Curl Lengthening Mascara in the shade 01 Black Beauty. Really like this mascara. It really adds a nice curl and lengthening to my lashes, gives a really nice look to my lashes, lengthens my lashes and also curls at the same time. Not very expensive, retails for only 499 rupees and you get 5 grams of product, which I feel is a pretty decent amount of product that you get in the price range of 499. The best thing is that it is very easy to remove as well. You can remove it using either warm water or a nice makeup remover, and it will go off from your lashes without actually breaking any of your lashes, so which is a really great thing because it's very easy to remove from the lashes. So if you are looking for a mascara that is under 500 rupees and serves the purpose of your curling and lengthening your lashes, then definitely go for this one. The next product that I have for you is its eyeliner, which is the Gloss Boss 24-hour eyeliner in the shade 01 Back in Black. This is what the eyeliner looks like. I really like this liner. I am not a kind of person who is into glossy stuff like glossy eyeliners and stuff. I am a completely matte person, but I actually like the performance of this. It does not take a lot of time or a lot of effort in removing when you are removing it. That's a really great thing. It retails for 499 rupees and you get a nice 2.5 ml of product. Also, it is something that would give you really nice sharp wing. I have it on my eyes right now. I'm absolutely loving it. Also, I have really weird ways of testing cosmetic products that I would not recommend you guys to do it, but it's just my way of doing. They claim that it is 24-hour eyeliner, and to be honest, I have actually tried it for 24 hours and it stays as it is. I have even slept with this one on my eyes and it did not move even a bit, which was the best thing because that way I do not wake up with panda eyes the next morning. It is a really nice eyeliner. I really liked it, and the best part about this is that it has a really nice sharp tip, which is why I get really nice strokes and a really nice wing to my liners, and that is something that I absolutely love because I am more of a winged eyeliner person, and this gives me that exact kind of sharp wing that I look for every time I am applying an eyeliner. If you are somebody who is a matte person but you do not want to go for too much of a glossy eyeliner, definitely go for this one because it is going to not give you too much of a glossy, a semi-matte sort of a finish once it dries out, and it's very easy to remove as well. Next product that I have for you is a brush. This is the Blend Trend Face Brush 001. This is actually a blush brush, but you can use it in different ways. Like you can use it as a highlighter brush for applying highlighter on the high points of your cheeks or on the high points of your face, like over here or here. You can also use it for wearing a setting powder under your eyes to set your concealer. It is a really nice brush, very soft, extremely soft bristles. It is not something that would feel very harsh on your skin. A very nice soft brush is what you're going to feel on your face. Retails for only 399 rupees, and that way it is not putting a hole in your pocket at all. I really like this brush. It is also very easy and very comfortable to hold it as well for application and stuff, so that is also yet another great thing. So if you are looking for a high quality brush that solves most of your issues like applying a highlighter or using it for setting your under eyes or something, and at the same time using it for application of blush, then definitely go for this one. The next product that I have for you is a jelly eyeshadow. This is the I Love Jelly eyeshadow in the shade 01 Champagne Charm. I really like this shade. This one retails for only 299 rupees and you get 3 grams of product. Now I know you must be thinking that 3 grams of product is way too less, but the kind of pigment that this one has, you will not actually require a lot of amount. Just a tiny bit is going to be more than enough. So if you are somebody who want to go for just a one and done eyeshadow kind of a look, wherein you just want to use a nice shimmer shade onto your eyelids, definitely go for this one because it is such a beautiful pigmented eyeshadow, which you can also use as a highlighter as well. Personally, I have used it like that, which is why I know that even if you use it as a highlighter, it will do the job. So if you are traveling somewhere and you don't want to carry a lot of cosmetics with you, just carry this one because this will solve your purpose of an eyeshadow and a highlighter, 2-in-1 product. Really like the pigment of it. It's supremely pigmented, but you will have to be really fast into blending this on your eyelids or wherever that you're applying it onto your face, whether a highlighter or on your eyelids, because it dries out really quickly. But once it's dried out, it is not going to move anywhere at all. Really like this. It is not very chunky when it comes to the shimmer particles. Very nice consistency. You can work with it very easily. The only thing is you have to work a little faster. Like as you've applied, just tap it right there. Don't wait for for it to settle in first and then you will go, because that way then you will not get the time to blend it. But once you have blended it, as soon as you apply, it will give you a really nice look. You can use it on your smoky eyes or just one and done eyeshadows. Really like this one. If you are looking for a multi-purpose product, definitely go for this. The last product in today's video is this Arch Arrival Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Taupe Tom. Really like the shade of it. It is very creamy and the tip of it is so fine that it gives really nice micro strokes onto your eyebrows, and since it's creamy, it's very easy to blend as well. It comes with one side with the pencil and the other side comes with a spoolie. That way you don't have to carry an extra spoolie with you, because this will do the job of brushing your eyebrows with this spoolie. Really nice. And since you can see it's not something that is very bulky in packaging, you can just drop it in your wallet or your vanity or your purse, whatever that you're carrying while traveling, and it's not going to take a lot of space. This is something that retails for 499 rupees and you get 0.09 grams of product, which I know you might feel that it's very less, but the kind of pigment that this one has, you will not require a lot of amount of product to use to shape your eyebrows and stuff, which is why it's a really great product. If you are looking for something that is supremely creamy, supremely pigmented, not very bulky in size, and gives really nice fine strokes of the product onto your eyebrows, then definitely go for this one. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you found this video helpful and like this video in any way at all, please hit the like button, comment down below and let me know how you like this video. I would love to hear it from you guys. Also, if you wish to purchase any of the products that I mentioned in today's video, the links to all of them are going to be in the description box below. Follow me on Instagram. The links to all my social media handles are also going to be in the description box below. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye guys, stay home, stay safe.